take care. Actually, probably more fun the other way. But I can like climbing over the bridge. That's where the more adventurous people have been going over the thing. I'm not that adventurous right now. So a couple tree falls, a little trail maintenance we need. But other than that, this is a good trail. Pretty introductory level, easy, not a lot of challenge to it per se. But it is handy where it connects to. I think I'll walk on the trail here. Have to address that. But the real danger is the way you've got to try to get over the guardrail down here. Okay, it's not my most impressive ride, I confess. I'm a little bit wary with my cell phone mapping me and my camera recording stuff. But other than that, this is a great little ride, really. Should really cut that down to the dirt. And I see that there's a handy thing here. I'd rather go this way. And so you see what I mean? Like, this is a great little connector to Oakland Creek. But once you get here, you gotta like vault over the falls. I'm not vaulting, let's be serious. You gotta, dismount and climb over this. Whereas, we had to cut here, so it made it way easier. So, kinda gotta, I guess if they widen this and some open that up, but see, now I'm in a position where I gotta fight the traffic coming down, stepping over right next to the guardrail here. But it puts us right back into a great little ride. Okay, and you'll see, hopefully someday we can pull it over there as well. But for right now, the way I like to kind of zip through, good pass. The way I like to zip through is the park. I kind of like the way it can wind up around the park over there and cut up in here in Kiwanis Drive. Okay, and for people who are not like me, who are used to going up, 28 to 34 degree inclines, this provides a nice kind of tiered approach to getting up here. It's steep, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying it isn't. But after this first climb, you have a relatively straightforward plateau, and then you have another climb. So it's tiered. That's nice. Gives you the person who's not as experienced a little time. I didn't know they finished that field up. Huh. Interesting. I don't know if you can say that I have some machinations of an idea for a short mountain bike course